right with, well, some clouds hanging over the White House tonight as the president's health care plan still struggling to work. Fox News reporting tonight 29,000 people signed up for Obamacare the first 2 days of the month. At that rate, only 471,000 people would be enrolled by the deadline, December 23rd, in order to have coverage by January 1st. That's well short of the 500,000 the administration was expecting to enroll in the first month alone. The president, however, today spent much of his time on his Obamacare campaign offensive, today trying to convince America's youth that it's in their best interest to buy health care insurance to support his cause. Fox News Chief White House correspondent Ed Henry has our report.
Eager to steady a disastrous start to his second term, President Obama today began a very deliberate attempt to fire up his political base. First, delivering a speech sponsored by the Liberal Center for American Progress on income inequality, a topic that warms the cockles of progressive hearts.
We don't promise equal outcomes. We've strived to deliver equal opportunity.
And with some of the young people who helped elect him now appearing to bail on him, the president later dropped by a youth summit at the White House and practically begged the young and healthy folks to sign up for his health care law.
And that's why I'm here, because I need your help.
Top Republicans fired back today. The president has now had 5 years in office. So if Americans are feeling insecure about canceled health plans and stagnant wages, they should blame him.
When will they learn to say yes to common ground? When will they start listening to the American people?
The president may also need to start listening to the millennials beyond just today's summit, where he suggested if all else fails, serve some alcohol to get young folks to sign up.
If you're a bartender, have a happy hour. And also probably get health insurance, because a lot of bartenders don't have it.
A Harvard University poll out today found that among 18 to 29-year-olds, 56% disapprove of the Affordable Care Act, 39% approve. White House officials, though, are touting a National Journal poll that gives a rosier view. Among the same age group, 53% say wait and see before making changes to the law, 26% say repeal it, and 17% say provide more money to effectively implement it. Under fire, the president is trying to shift the onus on Republicans to come up with alternatives on health care and a range of other issues.
If you don't think we should raise the minimum wage, let's hear your idea to increase people's earnings.
Leading one Republican to hold up a GOP health reform plan and mock the president's claims he'll talk to anyone who can improve the new law.
We've asked, haven't heard a word. My phone number in the office, 225-4510.
An aide to Senator Harry Reid confirmed today that he's exempting some of his staff from enrolling in an exchange. Their current plans are simply more generous. Seems hypocritical, though we should also note there are some Republicans who have exempted staff as well. Lou?
Thank you very much, Ed Henry. The president today surrounding himself, as you saw there at the White House, with what they called the Youth Summit, with eager followers selected to attend after they applied online at the White House website. Those in attendance being described as the president's, quote, missionaries for Obamacare, which means this administration now has missionaries, navigators, a tech czar, and a grassroots army organizing for action, all pushing Obamacare. And they certainly have their work cut out for them. Just 21 of 36 states now have embraced the president's so-called fix for Obamacare that allows insurers to offer canceled plans for another year to the almost 5 million people whose coverage has been canceled by insurance companies. And as Ed mentioned, Senate Majority Leader Harry Reid, one of Obamacare's primary movers, is offering to exempt his staff from buying insurance through the law's new exchanges. The other three top congressional leaders, that's House Speaker John Boehner, House Minority Leader Nancy Pelosi, Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell, all have, told their staffs to join the exchange.